Hello, today we will guide you through how to configure tax settings in ProjectionLab. Let's get started by opening ProjectionLab in your browser. Once the app loads, look toward the top of the screen for the Plans menu. Open the Plans drop-down to see your available plans. If you're exploring or just testing, choose a sample plan. Using a sample is a safe way to understand how tax settings affect projections without changing your own data. With the plan open, head into Settings. You'll typically find this in the main navigation for the plan you're viewing. Inside Settings, locate the Tax section. This is your central hub for managing how the model treats taxes in your plan, and it's worth walking through each area to confirm the assumptions match your situation or the scenario you want to explore. First, open Tax Estimation. This page provides a high-level snapshot of how taxes are being estimated across your plan. Use this view to get a sense of the overall methodology and the drivers that matter most, such as how income, payroll, and investment activity contribute to your projected tax bill. As you review, note any assumptions that you might want to adjust later in the more detailed sections. Next, return to Settings and open the Tax section again. Now choose Income Tax. Here you can review how your income tax is being modeled. Check that the filing approach and the rate structure align with the region you're planning for. If the plan includes assumptions around deductions, credits, or inflation adjustments, make sure they reflect the level of conservatism you prefer. The goal is to have a consistent set of inputs so your plan's projected cash flows, savings, and withdrawals remain realistic over time. Go back to the Tax Hub once more and open Capital Gains Tax. This area focuses on how investment sales are treated. Confirm that the assumptions for short-term and long-term gains align with your region's rules and your expectations for holding periods. If the plan models periodic rebalancing or planned asset sales, these settings can influence your after-tax returns. When in doubt, lean slightly conservative so you don't overstate future balances. When you're finished reviewing each page, return to the tax section to confirm everything looks consistent. ProjectionLab will reflect your tax settings throughout the plan's projections, helping you compare scenarios more confidently. That's it. You opened ProjectionLab, selected a plan, navigated to Settings, and reviewed tax estimation, income tax, and capital gains tax to ensure your assumptions are clear and aligned with your goals.